Alright, y'all, I got a package in the mail from Professor. He watches my YouTube channel, just like y'all. He makes moonshine. He sent me a quart of moonshine, or a pint. He sent me a pint of moonshine. Let's check it out. It says it's 100 proof from the Professor. 100 proof blueberry. Holy shit. How to put out man hands for that one. Wow. That thing will punch you right in the nose. That's blueberry. Smells something else. I don't know if he made it from corn or what, but it seems like it. Smell blueberry and something else. That blueberry is strong though. I wonder how he did it. I'll have to ask him because it's like perfume. That's good. That's blueberry hardcore. That's straight up, through and through. I don't get anything but blueberry. I don't get no other flavor. It tastes like blueberry moonshine. That's good stuff. I appreciate it, Professor. I'll send you a bottle in the mail here soon. Either way, fuck y'all's mama.